then they will be able to do everything except God. He is the creator of mercy and mercy. The name of God is the greatest. They had been fasting for months before Ramadan, and one day they were in the mosque. As they walked along the road, they saw sick people. Then one of them said, "Come." He said to me, "I don't want you to eat." The man said, "If I am, eat with me and sit with him on the ground." Then he said, "We are not afraid of you. They call upon us, but no one eats with us." He smiled softly. He said, "Maybe they're going to fast." They are not gods. Why are you not afraid to fast before Ramadan? He smiled and said, "I love God. I am happy to eat with you today." Then he gave thanks when he came in. Then the man went with him and prayed for him. Then he prayed to God, "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve God today." He said, "We heard you today. You see the sick people eating with you, you are lying to yourselves." Then he said, "Well done. I may have broken my fast, but I haven't broken anyone's heart." You may wonder how easily God can forgive. A broken heart or a broken heart? This is the message if the fast is more arrogant to man and make others inferior, then he does not fast for Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever forsakes evil deeds and forsakes evil deeds, let God hunger for him. No need to be thirsty." He said, "It's like water." और फिर ईमान पर असर करती हैं जब हम अपनी सोचों और अपने असल के दरमियान थोड़ा फासला बना लेते हैं, तो हमें समझ आता है कि हम अपनी सोच नहीं हैं। और फिर नफ्स की तरफ से आने वाली शर्म खुद को नीता समझना और I am not the only one who speaks to most people. Then they will be forbidden from coming near to God. But the heart of the heart is fasting. It is a fast that should not be stopped. It is like that. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "My eyes are asleep." The path of Islam is the path of God. It is a time for us to meditate on Ramadan. You see, God gives us the opportunity. Look at your heart and mind, which is the way we feel about God. When we remember what God has done for us, our eyes are opened, and there are many people in the world. They are hungry and they are in the West. We didn't expect to eat our food. Then he looks at himself, and then the human being turns around. We are looking forward to seeing those who are more than us. I have people who have difficulty fasting because of illness. Does the Quran tell them that they are all small? Then the day will come when they will eat a meal. From him, the more he gives, the better for his soul. Spiritual and high. Then they say, "This is the night in which the Quran was revealed." No one knows. The night of Ramadan, however, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "This is the last 10 days of Ramadan. In the nights, God's grace and mercy are abundant in the night. It is more forgiveness of sins and the hope of receiving forgiveness. More, it is said that Gabriel and many angels are in heaven. They come down from the earth to God." The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "The angels of the night are like little pebbles on the earth." The angels of the night are the angels. There are many reasons why not everyone should be able to do so. Some of the elders say, it is the night when Allah will make the pilgrimage to your footsteps. Take 2. Then God opens the door of His mercy, and the reward of goodness is great. As the Quran says, night is better than 1,000 months. God reminds us that this is one night. It may be more than a year of worship. The whole life is equal to the whole life, but it is only a sacred night. They are not invited to sit in the mosque, feeding the poor for the sake of humanity. I have to put on my clothes and sins from God, ask for forgiveness and ask for forgiveness. The day of Ramadan in this world and the hereafter. It is called the Eid al-Fitr, the Eid al-Fitr. Then there is the breakfast and the breakfast. The breakfast means the opening of the fast refers to the nature of the human being. God created what is good. It is one of the names of God. The creator of Ramadan is the purpose of our break the old bad habits and revive the good nature within you. And the truth of everything, return to God for a few days. Ramadan is a morning that creates a new day. One of the goals of life is to rest the pistons that harm us. The doors are opened and the people forget. Then watch the whole month. It reminds us of what is most important in our lives in Ramadan. We are called everything except God. We will be with God in all things. Then God says, learn. It is a shield to fast because it protects us from the fire that is far away. We are reminded of God's love for us. God will help me, or God will help me. I will fast what is good for me, what is good for my heart. Which of you, or of God, as I am to eat and drink? My heart is filled with jealousy and hatred. Or your God, then I come to the light, and I will show you the way. May my Lord grant mercy to me, and grant me all that I desire. Do you know the truth, or do God help me? Say, I will keep fast from the habits of the soul until the sun never sets, and the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Or is it that God is forgiving and forgiving? Forgive me, or God will forgive me. Live in your memory forever and never me. Do not forget your love and mercy. Surrounded by the Lord or the Lord.